Hello everyone, myself Sumit Maheshwari, working as an assistant professor in ABES Engineering College. Today I'm delivering a lecture on AC system fundamentals of Unit 2 of Basic Electrical Engineering. So what is the introduction of AC system we are talking about here? These are uh, three topics. First, AC fundamental. Second, single phase AC system. And third, three-phase AC system. In AC fundamental, first of all, we are discussing about the different types of waveforms. And in these waveforms, we are discussing about the instantaneous values, peak values, average value, RMS value. After that, we can discuss form factor and peak factor of these waveforms. When we are making AC waveform, then we are understanding the concept of phase and phase difference. After that, we are talking about the leading and lagging phase between the two phases and then power factor. Addition and subtraction of AC quantities. We are talking about the using of XY component method and introduction of J notation. Now, after that, we are making a AC waveform and then represent it mathematically. And we are talking about the polar and rectangular coordinates. Multiplication and division of phasors by using these coordinates conversion means polar to rectangular and rectangular to polar conversion. And then discuss few numericals. Now in AC system, there are various circuits. So we are discussing about the steady state analysis of these circuits. These circuits are pure resistance, pure inductance, pure capacitance with AC excitation. Then we are talking about the impedance, complex power, power factor, or we can say power triangle, complex power, active, reactive power, apparent power, and then power factor. The similar things we are using some combinations of circuits like RL combination, RC combination, and RLC series or parallel circuits. Now we are talking about these three circuits having some power factor, and we are introducing the power factor improvement. After RLC series circuits, we are discussing about the resonance, that is series and parallel resonance. In series resonance, we are talking about the resonant frequency, cutoff frequency, uh, after that bandwidth, quality factor, selectivity. These are the terms in series resonance. In parallel resonance, we are talking about the uh, uh, resonant frequency of tank circuit, after that quality factor, dynamic impedance, है ना? And resonance curve. And series and parallel resonance are voltage and current resonance. So we can thought about the numericals of these uh, topics. In three-phase AC system, first of all, we discuss about the polyphase system. Means after one phase system, there are three-phase, six-phase, multi-phase, yeah, polyphase systems. So, what are the phasor and vector representation of three-phase AC system? Now, talking about the balanced and unbalanced system, positive and negative sequence phasors, and then types of uh, three-phase AC system. In these types, first is star connection and second in delta connection. In both the connections, we are talking about the line and phase relationship of voltage and current. After that, we are talking about the complex three-phase AC power and some numericals we are discussed in these topics. So these are our references. We are using JB Gupta and UV Bakshi of Basic Electrical Engineering. This is our disclaimer. And thank you. In upcoming lectures, we are talking about various topics of this unit. Thank you.